The 2022 Honda CR-V won't accelerate anyone's heart rate, but its capacious interior and fuel-efficient powertrains make it a compelling compact crossover. In fact, it's one of our favorites. The Honda isn't necessarily fun to drive, and neither its standard turbocharged gas engine nor the hybrid model qualifies as quick, but it steers and stops without any fuss. Its ride is also relaxing on long hauls. Just go easy on the gas to avoid the base engine's noisy drone. Family road trips will also require fewer fill-ups than many other SUVs thanks to the CR-V's noteworthy fuel economy. A host of standard active safety features and popular tech options help it compete with newer rivals. While the 2022 CR-V isn't the flashiest or classiest in this hotly contested segment, it's still one of the most satisfying and talented entrants. What's new for 2022? There are no changes to the CR-V lineup for the 2022 model year. However, we've captured some spy photos of the next generation, which is expected to debut as a 2023 model. Along with a cleaner design and the potential for a third row, the next CR-V will likely offer a gas-only and a hybrid powertrain. An all-electric model could also be in the works. We think the EX Hybrid is the CR-V to get. Not only does it come stocked with popular standard features that include blind spot monitoring, dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and a 7-inch touchscreen, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it's more refined and fuel-efficient than the gas model. While our chosen eco-minded CR-V doesn't offer any options, it comes standard with all-wheel drive engine, transmission, and performance. Honda did its homework planting its first turbocharged engine, a 1.5-liter unit that makes 190 horsepower, in a CR-V and pairing it with one of the best continuously variable automatic transmissions, CVTs, available, praise we don't give lightly. While most compact crossovers have meager towing limits, the CR-V has one of the lowest at 1,500 pounds. Any parent moonlighting as a street racer might be disappointed with the CR-V's acceleration. On the other hand, they, along with everyone else, will appreciate its refined ride, enthusiastic steering, and strong brakes. The composed and compliant ride of the CR-V makes for pleasant commutes, long or short. Its responsive brake pedal means you receive the stopping power you want when you ask for it. The CR-V Hybrid is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors that combine for 212 horsepower. We found the hybrid system to be smooth and unobtrusive, and we appreciated that Honda mitigated engine drone at wide-open throttle by adding sound-deadening materials and giving the audio system an active noise-canceling feature. This provided a much quieter experience than the base engine, which was one of the loudest in its class when matting the gas pedal. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The CR-V is available with 2 engine choices that are frugal when it comes to consuming fuel. The front-drive, gas-only model is rated at 28 mpg city and 34 highway. All-wheel drive models are rated at 27 mpg city and 32 highway. We tested a CR-V with all-wheel drive on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and it earned 28 mpg. The hybrid CR-V is estimated to earn 40 mpg city and 35 highway. However, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is rated at 41 mpg city and 38 mpg highway. In our real-world testing, the hybrid Honda earned 32 mpg on the highway, but the Toyota beat it by 5 mpg, 37 total. For more information about the CR-V's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. A stylish and spacious interior creates a cool and comfortable environment in the CR-V. Quality materials and a familiar layout combine for a contemporary look and feel. A tasteful balance of faux wood accents, chromed plastic, and brushed satin finishes looked particularly upscale in the touring version we tested. Supportive and nicely sculpted front seats hug their occupants in all the right places. Leading its class in cargo volume and luggage space, the CR-V not only earns high marks in those subjects, but also by way of its inclusion of user-friendly and useful equipment. We managed to fit 10 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seat, which matched the CX-5 and the Ford Escape. Fold the back seat flat, and the Honda offers best-in-class luggage space. Infotainment and Connectivity. An otherwise excellent presentation is offset by Honda's frustrating infotainment system. Base LX models come with a 5.0-inch color radio screen, but all other models get a 7.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Navigation is optional, as is a 9-speaker audio system. Honda reintroduced a rotary volume knob last year, and we appreciate that, but a lack of other controls, slow infotainment responses, and the absence of an auxiliary input can't be forgiven. Safety and driver assistance features. The Honda also comes standard with a suite of driver assistance technology to help prevent collisions from happening in. For more information about the CR-V's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Honda covers every CR-V with limited and powertrain warranties that are competitive with most other manufacturers. The Hyundai Tucson and Kia Sportage are the exceptions, besting Honda and Company with an unrivaled 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Their limited warranty is significantly better too. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.